Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to find your relationships on Facebook using the web version on your PC. Facebook updates its layout quite often, so if you've been struggling to locate this section, don't worry, you're in the right place. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open your preferred browser and go to Facebook. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your personal settings. Once you're on the Facebook homepage, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo there. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a drop-down menu with several options related to your account. From that menu, find and click on Settings and Privacy. When you select it, more options will appear underneath. Now, click on Settings to move forward. After entering the settings area, look for the activity log. Depending on your layout, you may find it on the left-hand side or within the main settings page. Click on Activity Log to open a detailed view of your Facebook activity. Inside the activity log, you'll see different categories that organize your activity. Scroll through the list until you find Relationships. Once you click on it, you'll be able to see your relationship-related activity, including updates or changes you've made over time. And that's it. That's how you can easily find your relationships on Facebook using the web version on your PC, even with the latest updates. If this helped you out, make sure to check out more tips like this so you can stay confident navigating Facebook's newest features.